Welcome to this fantastic detached 4-bedroom family home located on a rural countryside roadway, yet within minutes drive of Kilmurry village, Sixmilebridge, and easy access to the M18 Limerick Galway Motorway. Fantastic countryside views directly to the front, with a number of one-off dwellings and predominantly farming land in the immediate area. The original cottage has been extended and modernised over the years, with a number of sheds being the first one to the front and a number of outbuildings, garages, workshops all to the rear on a very large site. We have our main entrance porchway to the front, and to the side we have a fantastic covered carport area, which is excellent for sheltered covered dining and ideal access for vehicle leading direct through a sliding patio door to the kitchen, dining, living area. Gardens have been landscaped throughout, which we'll show you afterwards. So coming in to our kitchen, living, dining area, which is an open plan L-shaped room, solid timber flooring in the dining area with cove ceiling, and our kitchen is complete with breakfast bar and an abundance of storage units with worktop space, splashback tiling, built-in dishwasher, electric oven, hob and extractor with plumbing for dishwasher and washing machine in place. And this immediately overlooking our rear garden area. And again a further view of our outside sheltered covered dining and carport area. Leading back to the front of the property, we have our original cottage with flagstone flooring, solid fuel open fireplace, our hot press is located to the left here, and vaulted timber cladded ceiling with excellent light from our Velux window and front aspect window. The first of our bedrooms is located just off the sitting room area here, with our main entrance porch to the front. Bedroom complete with laminate timber flooring and again good size double bedroom. All 4 bedrooms in the house have double beds, with 2 further bedrooms here to the left. Again, laminate timber flooring throughout. This double bedroom again with front aspect window overlooking the front of the property. Our 3rd bedroom on this side again is complete with laminate timber flooring and side aspect window with large ensuite, complete both with bath and separate shower area. That is the first of our 3 bedrooms. The 4th bedroom, an extra living area, is located back to our kitchen dining room. Firstly, to our left we have our main bathroom, which is fully tiled, complete with shower unit, WC and wash and basin. All the windows and doors are modern double glazed units throughout the house, with aisle central heating in place. Going to this section of the property, we have a further living, possibly also could be bedroom, playroom or study if desired, complete with laminate timber flooring. This is access off a further bedroom to to the rear, and we also have styro attic access to a attic storage room. Coming straight through to our final bedroom, again good size double room, complete with laminate timber flooring and overlooking the front of the property. Our attic room on the first floor is complete with two front aspect Felix windows, side aspect window, and offers excellent storage space with built-in shelving, further access to the main attic area, and there's also power points, radiator and lighting. So coming back to the rear gardens, there is a number of outbuildings, original hen houses, an aviary to the rear, and in total we have a large workshop and two large garages with further office area connecting to one of the garages. We have initial lawn area here, abundance of mature trees, plants and flower beds throughout. Our maintenance free dining area is located directly off the kitchen with raised barbecue and seating area. The first of our garages is to the side, which you have a vehicle access point and also regular door and two front aspect windows. All garage units are complete with lighting and power points. Beside the first garage area we have this second, which is a large workshop unit, and further to the rear we have another garage area with vehicle access points to the front, and there's also a separate area which would have been office and outdoor toilet. And then further to the rear of our property we have a large lawn area. Again, could easily be used as a small paddock if desired. And this is complete again with our natural stone mixture of trees and natural hedge boundaries. Just to our left would have been a bird aviary building and gravel driveway leading back to the front of the property. So that is the fantastic large site and home here in Kilmurry. The property again being a 4-bedroom extended cottage, and we have two large garage areas and two further large workshop storage sheds, along with some smaller units, large garden areas and paddock to the rear. For further information or to arrange a viewing, please contact the office 065 68 40200. Thank you.